Like, I could wear this every day for the rest of my life if I had to. I won't, but if I had to, I could. This is a cute lip. This is it. Green smoothie for the win. Does anyone know how to make green smoothies greener? I just feel like this is such a meh kind of green. You know, how do the stores do it? Like, anyway, cheers to healthy, right? Okay, cool. Honestly, I'm tired of opening up all my videos the same. So hi, how are you? I'm Safai. I hope you're doing well. If this is the first time that you're seeing my face here on YouTube, thank you so much for joining. Sit back, relax. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, we're not doing a full-on tutorial. We are going to be doing a try-on, sort of. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. If you clicked on this video, you are here for some very obvious reasons, because the industry is about to say hello to 3 brand new shades. I should say a shade extension of the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. So we're gonna be diving into this shade extension. I honestly believe every time Fenty drops anything, the internet just loses their everything. Everything is crazy. It's on buzz, it's trending. So I'm very happy that I was able to receive the extensions through PR. Very blessed and grateful. So here we are. We have Latte Lips, Pinch Me, and Cocoa Drizzle. Their original shade that they came out with was Hint Hint, which I did not get, I did not have, but we have these 3. So why don't we learn some background information on them, why don't we? Let's educate ourselves on them. So this information is straight from their website. They started off with kiss-worthy lips anytime, anywhere. A give it to me quick, just like a little synopsis of what their lip product is about. Basically, a creamy moisture lock lip balm with a plush doe foot applicator that smooths, softens, and preps your palate for instantly luscious, kiss-worthy lips that last in sheer shades, designed for all skin tones. Do I believe that this is designed for all skin tones? Absolutely. It is sheer enough to be complementary to any skin tone, so that check on that. I've actually never tried the original one, so this is all new for me. Whoop, excited. Let's dive in a little deeper to the information. It says, tell me more. I want to know more. It is super creamy, lightweight. It glides over the lips to lock in moisture in sheer shades, designed for all skin tones. We heard that already. Unlike most lip balms, the Pro Kisser has an ultra plush doe foot applicator that treats lips to an addictively luxe experience with every swipe. Well, I'm sure we'll find out, and I'll let you know. It is made with a rich yet non-greasy shea and mango seed butters. This lip balm soothes and nourishes while making lips instantly softer, smoother, and ready for lipstick application. The formula has a light peachy vanilla scent, and they are 100% cruelty-free, which is awesome. So let's get into some swatches. Let's try it on. Let's get it on the lips. I'm excited. I've never tried these before. So the first shade we'll be trying on is in the lightly tinted shade of Latte Lips. And I don't really smell any peach scent to it. I do smell that like really soft vanilla scent. Here's the applicator. And I will say Latte is going to be in your nude region, not very too pink. All right, so first thing I noticed, the applicator has a shape to it. There's like, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a dip in the middle of the applicator. So when you're gliding it on your lips, it's almost as if, I don't want to say it's massaging. It is a nice feel though. Nothing like over the top, nothing crazy. Like it's not massaging my lips, but it feels nice. It is different from other applicators. Now, I'm not seeing much of a color here on my bottom lip. That is because my bottom lip is so pigmented and a lot lighter than my top lip. So I'm sure we'll see a difference up here. Yeah, definitely. And they're right, this formula is not greasy, it is not sticky. So this is Latte Lips, and so far I do feel like this is a shade that can complement any skin tone, so it is definitely a universal shade. For the price point of $18, I feel like that's a pretty safe price point. That is, that's reasonable. $18 is reasonable for something like this. It does not feel greasy, it does not feel sticky. It doesn't feel very thick either, so it is more on like a thinner consistency. If you're comparing it to like lip gloss, it's definitely thinner. It has a pleasant smell. I haven't worn it long enough to tell if it's really hydrating my lips. I hope it is, because that's what it claims. But yeah, this is Latte Lips, and she's cute. She's here, and I like it. Next up is Pinch Me, and Pinch Me is definitely pinker than Latte Lips, but still in that like light nude vibe, but definitely more pink. I'm trying to smell the peach notes in the products and I can't really pick it up. So maybe it's just me, I don't know. So there's a noticeable difference. This one is lighter and definitely more on the pink side of things, as you guys can see. As I put it on the top lip, you can see that it is definitely more pink than Latte Lips. Still, nothing that I don't like about this shade. I feel like it's not too light. This is definitely, they did a great job. I can definitely see this color on deeper skin tones, lighter skin tones, medium skin tones. This is staying true to that universal for all. I really do enjoy that. That's awesome. And you're still getting that very sheer color in it. So that's nice. I imagine if you wanted to, you can also put this with a lip liner to switch things up if you just want something nourishing and hydrating on the lips with a like tiny touch of color, but still want to have definition to the lips. Put on a lip liner and you'll be fine, you'll be straight. Last but not least, we have the shade Cocoa Drizzle. I still don't smell any peach. Now, I'm gonna say something. Looking at the shade right here, I do not like the way it looks. I don't know, it just looks very, just looks kind of dead, you know? Like if the color brown died, that's kind of what it looks like. Not really a fan, there's like no like life to it, but here we go. So definitely not what I was expecting for it to look on the lips. It kind of mutes down. My bottom lip is so pink, it's so pigmented, and it definitely mutes down the tone of my bottom lip, which I don't mind. At first, I was not liking the way it was looking. Definitely by itself as a product, just sitting on the applicator, was not a huge fan whatsoever. But now that it's on, it's kind of cute. This one also feels a little thinner than the other two. I don't know if it's just in my head, but it does feel a little bit thinner. So I decided to put something to the test and kind of just see what it would look like with a lip liner. So I'm taking a brown, oh, there's still some gloss on. This is called, what lip liner are you? It's from the Lip Bar. If you guys haven't tried them, super great. This is called Straight Living, typical brown lip liner. So I'm just gonna line my lips and then put Cocoa Drizzle on top. I wanna see what happens. And also this will show us like how well it works with a lip liner. Together, this is not that bad. This is more my cup of tea, the way this is looking together. That's more, you know what? This is actually really a nice, this is a nice combination for a nice like nude lip. This right here, this will work. This will do the trick. So the lip balms do play well with lip liners, so you can really mix and match and achieve different looks, and I definitely like that. Like this lip liner with Cocoa Drizzle, this is what I'm living for right here. Like this is it right here. And the fact that it's not just a lip gloss, it's giving me that shine of a lip gloss, but the hydration of a lip balm. I couldn't ask for any more. You guys are definitely in for a treat because they drop August 13th and they dropped today. So happy. So there we have 3 brand new shades to the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Can't forget the word luscious. So do these lip balms live up to what they claim? I haven't worn them long enough to say that they're very hydrating. They feel like they could be hydrating. They are definitely universal. Each one of these shades can be worn on any skin tone, any complexion, and it's gonna look absolutely beautiful and complement very nicely. I love the fact that you can wear them alone You can wear it with a lip liner. You can wear it with makeup, without makeup. I love the versatility that you get with them, and they are priced at $18 before tax, so just so you guys know the deal. I think my new favorite nude combo might be this brown lip liner and Cocoa Drizzle. Like, together, it's a match made in heaven. They look so good. And knowing that it's gonna be hydrating my lips while I look fabulous, can't get any better than that, can it? Honestly, it was just 3 lip products today. There is not much else to say about the products. They're universal. There is a sheer tint. They're 100% cruelty free. There is a slight scent. It claims to be peach and vanilla. I don't really smell the peach part of it, but I definitely smell that soft tones of vanilla. So that's always, I love when my lip products smell like cake and vanilla. That's just me. That's just me though. And they cost $18, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments down below. Have you guys tried it yet? Did you have the original one? Are you guys excited to try it? Like, how are we feeling about this new drop from Fenty? If you are not yet subscribed, I'm so sorry. But please, go ahead, click the button. It's not gonna hurt you. And friendly reminder to go ahead and click that bell button to be notified every single time I drop a new video. Yeah, but you know, that's it for now. That was cute, quick, and sweet. And I had a lot of fun doing that for you guys today. And I'll see you beautiful and amazing people in the next video. Bye, you guys.